fix wireless capacity is turned off error in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. So if you want to fix the wireless capacity is turned off error in Windows, then just follow the steps. What you need to do is first you need to open up your Windows search and then search for ncpa.cpo. Once you have that, you just need to click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface where you need to go with Wi-Fi option. Right click on that, and then here if you have disabled the Wi-Fi, then you just need to simply go and enable the Wi-Fi. Once you enable, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back, and second method is you need to solve this wirelessly. So what you need to do is go with the search again, and under search you need to search for ncpa.cpo, hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you need to again right click on it and then go with properties. Under properties, you need to go with the configure option. Under configure, you will get a new kind of interface where you need to go with power management, and then here you need to make sure that you've turned off the option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then click on OK and done. And that's it. You need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.